This is Akashvani Kohima, presenting our program Discovering Nagaland. Hello, listeners, and welcome to another episode of Discovering Nagaland. In this episode, we discover Zunheboto district and the Sumi cuisine. The Sumi tribe holds a significant position among the major tribes in Nagaland, primarily residing in Zunheboto district. The name Zunheboto district derives its name from the fusion of two terms, Zunhebo, a flowering shrub with white sponge-like ears containing sweet juice, and to, indicating its location atop a hill. Therefore, Zunheboto symbolizes this shrub and its unique hilltop positioning. The town was established on this elevated terrain due to the abundant growth of the Zunhebo plant in the area. Zunheboto district, the largest in Nagaland, lies at the heart of the state, bordering Pek, Woka, Tuensang, Kipire, and Mokokchung. Sumi people are recognized as a martial tribe within the Naga community, distinguished by their ceremonial war attire, captivating colorful dances, and melodious songs. Situated approximately 150 kilometers from the capital city of Kohima, the district covers an area of 1,255 square kilometers as of the 2011 census and rests at an altitude of 1,874.22 meters above sea level. The district's total population as per the 2011 census is 1,41,014. In this episode, let us see how Sumis use pork as one of the main items in every important occasion. A prominent festival celebrated by the Sumi tribe is the Tuluni festival, observed on July 8th every year. The festival is marked by dancing, feasting, sports, and merrymaking. Besides many activities, it also serves as a time for reconciling relationships among relatives and villagers, reminiscent of historical practices during headhunting periods and even with adversaries, a practice known as Alu Pekikili. This exchange involves offering pig's head, leg, hand, and food for peace, represented through the sharing of a meal with large pieces of pork served on banana leaves. Participants hold their portion of the meal and then trade plates, symbolizing communal harmony. Allo Pekikili means peace treaty and restoring peace between warring groups or individuals. It has its own way of the food being served in banana leaves, where the rice, meat, and all other items of food cooked for the purpose is put together. Each one of them will hold the banana leaves filled with food with large pieces of pork in their hand and will eat half. After which they will exchange the plate with the remaining food in it with the word saying, "This is peace I give to you." After the exchange of plates, each one of them will finish eating the whole remaining food. Only after this act they will live together. Pork holds a central role in ceremonial rituals. During Tuluni celebrations, the village chief slaughters 2 or 3 pigs, distributing the meat among the villagers. In courting traditions, couples feast on large cuts of meat and symbolic gestures like exchanging leg portions and heads occur between the bride and the groom's families. The head of the pig is given to the father, and in case the father is deceased, it goes to the elder brother. Sumi tradition dictates that the head of an animal killed for any occasion should not be consumed by the person who sacrificed it. Specific body parts like the hand and leg portion will be gifted to the elder and younger sister, tail to the son-in-law, liver, intestines and lungs are cooked and fried with chili powder, which is one of the tastiest items in Sumi cuisine. Distribution of meat for the helpers, the butchering group, is a must in Sumi tradition called shikugumti. Pieces of meat with some portion of liver, lungs, fat and intestines are also given to helpers in accordance with established customs. A staple dish in the Sumi cuisine is akone, a fermented soya bean product rich in protein. Soya bean is a nutritious legume that thrives in various soil types, including poor soil, and has the added benefit of fixing nitrogen in the soil. Modern agricultural advice encourages traditional farmers to cultivate soya beans in such soil conditions for optimal results. It has an unpleasant smell, but nothing on earth can compare its taste as akune. All people of the tribes of Nagaland and outsiders, including foreigners, enjoy and love to eat akune. Soya bean is one of the main staple food next to rice. It can be ground into a powder form and can be used in tea, which is considered to be a source of rich protein. Cultivation and usage of ginger is also one of the main important crops in Sumi area. Ginger and tasty akune with salt and chili pickle is considered one of the most flavorsome pickle among the Sumi tribe. It was introduced by the Sumi forefathers and is loved and cherished till date. Yam or kolokosha is called as ayekibe in Sumi and is used as one of the side items in the form of semi-solid curry cooked with green leafy vegetables. Sesame seed grown in the gardens or fields are used by the Sumis in minced form. This minced sesame seed is heated, smashed and eaten as a snack and is also added as an ingredient in any curry. Xanthocylum, called angote in Sumi, is one of the prime ingredients used by Sumi in almost all the curries as it helps the food to be preserved for long. Millet known as asuna in Sumi is fermented into rice beer and enjoyed as a beverage by the Sumis. Raw asuna contains less glucose, therefore it is cooked and consumed by patients with diabetes.